This is tutorial number 62, and it covers advanced sketching tools within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, let's open up a brand new part file. Let's click File, click New, click Part, click OK. Now what I'm going to show you in this tutorial is just a few of the many sketching tools that you can use within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, let's sketch out a square. So let's click Front, click Sketch, click Rectangle, and from the origin, let's sketch one out. Click OK. And now we're able to do some advanced sketching to this square. So let's click Tools, click Sketch Tools, and these are all the different kind of sketching tools that we're able to do onto the sketch that we just created. So let's right click on the sketch, click Edit Sketch, click Tools, click Sketch Tools, and we're able to use any of these tools onto the sketch. Now for this tutorial, I'm just going to do a fillet and a chamfer onto this square. So let's click the fillet, and to create a fillet onto the sketch, all you have to do is just click the point, or you can click one side and the other side, and it'll do it. Now we'll just do a 10mm radius with it, and we'll click OK, and we've got our fillets on our original sketch. Now let's do the chamfers. Click Tools, click Sketch Tools, click Chamfer, and again, if you click the point, it'll do it, or if you click the two sides, it will do it too. And we'll just do 10mm for that one too. Click OK, and now we've put a fillet and a chamfer on each side. Now let's say that we wanted to delete one of these sides. All you have to do is click on it and click Delete, and it's gone. Now in between here, let's click 3-point arc, and we'll make a little curve. Click 1 point here, 1 point here, and let's just make the curve look like that. Click OK, and let's extrude this out. Let's click Feature, click Extrude, and we'll make this come out 50mm. Click OK, and we've extruded out that sketch. Now I'm going to show you how to use the spline tool and points. So let's click on this face, click Sketch, and let's click on Point. Now with the point, you're able to put as many points as you want in whatever kind of shape you want, and at the end you can join it all using the spline tool, and you can extrude it out. For this, I'm going to draw in my name. I'm going to put in JP, my initials. So let's draw it in just using the points. Now this doesn't have to be exact, you can just doodle around pretty much and just make it however you want it to look. Now if you click the spline tool, you're able to connect all these dots to create a sketch. So just connect all the dots that you've drawn in whatever sketch it is that you drew. And we'll do the P now. And let's cut this out. Click Extrude Cut. All you have to do is click on the feature that you want it to cut, and it'll do it. And you can see the reflection in the back in the yellow, and that's where you're going to cut out. So let's click OK. Click OK for all bodies. And now we've cut out the drawing that we made using the points. Now this is good if you want to make a special drawing, whatever it is that you want. Using these points, you're able to make it and manipulate it more. So let's do a star this time. Let's click the front plane, and we'll draw in a star. and we'll connect it using the spline tool again. Connect all the points. And you've drawn out your star. Now let's click Feature and let's extrude cut this out. Click OK, and you've cut out the star. Now my drawings aren't that great, but you can play around with it and you can make unique drawings to whatever it is that you want to cut out or extrude out. And this concludes our tutorial on advanced sketching within SOLIDWORKS.